For the day so far, Dow Jones and Nasdaq were both trading with a slight drop, and in fact, US30 has got a strong support at 33,900. I have told and shared the same in my morning analysis. At the same time, US100 too has given higher lows. Now, remember, I told you one thing yesterday that till 12,450 we can expect a stronger bounce back, and now trading with a slight rise and trading at 12,640. See, the drop has been seen yesterday after the results coming in from the major global tech giants including Apple and Amazon, and see it has seen a little drop. So now what to expect with the US session? Yes, NFP data is going to be the driving factor for the move today. Which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the twice a day analysis which I share for Dow Jones and Nasdaq. One with the Asia session, and next is with US session. To watch the weekly analysis, well, press the bell icon. Let's start. First we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Now look at the hourly charts here. See, first thing, yes, it is trading above the resistance level at 12,620. And yes, on the hourly chart it has shown a reversal sign. With that as reversal, it has given a breakout trying to trade bullish here. Now see, on the hourly charts also, one more thing to observe here is, see, lower lows, lower highs. Hence, till 12,720 levels, you have to remain cautious. Yes, you can buy at 12,660, but then expect till 12,710, 720 levels as the first resistance, and beyond that 12,800 levels as the next resistance. 12,760 and 12,800 levels as the next resistance zone. So till that time you have to stay cautious and alert. And see, on the hourly charts also, you can see this is trying to give a breakout, and this is the second bullish candle, but there is a downward push. It is getting a resistance on the upside. Yes, you can buy at 12,660, expect 710, 720 first target, 760, 800 as the next target. Beyond 800, little more bullish momentum can be seen. Directional movement is divergent and bullish. Stochastic is again back to overbought levels. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for the buyer's entry. RSI was overbought and now it has cooled down considerably. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also, see, it was trading in this near term bearish, and then this breakout has happened. At the same time, if you connect the dots here on the breakout part also, you can find 12,700, 12,720 zone certainly be a very good resistance zone. So yes, you can buy at 12,660 levels. Now see, the directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic, which was oversold, has come back to a near to overbought levels. The MACD is bearish. It is trading with divergence. The candle height is maximized here. Possibly it is looking forward to converge here. RSI is also trading near to the high points. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now this is important. See, this few candles, lower highs, lower lows, and then this breakout. Another point is, see, higher lows and higher highs in the 3 candles, and hence, yes, if you see it trading about 12,660, you can buy, and only sell entry I will recommend is below 12,500, 480 levels, where you can expect little more bearishness. Yes, you can sell at 12,550 also, but then you have to expect 12,500, and then further drop can be seen till towards 12,450 levels. So in between 12,550 and 12,660 we have to remain alert. Now let's see what we can do here. Directional movement here is bullish. Stochastic is oversold and now trying to look upwards, come out of the oversold zone. MACD has crossed over, and this is a sell cross on the, and this is happening at a high. RSI is also trading near to the overbought levels. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, this is trying to show you a breakout here. Yes, there is little resistance on 12,660. If it pulls back below 12,600, yes, you can expect 12,550 and then 12,500 levels. Remember, these are going to be very good support zone. Now see, 12,710 and 12,500, 470, and in fact 450 levels. This is the zone where we are going to see a good swing here. Only if it breaks either of this, you can expect little more directional move. Direction here anyways is bullish. It is diverging here. Stochastic has seen a little drop, trying to converge again. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell, and the RSI is trading at a high. Now look at the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, couple of observation points. So far it has given higher lows here. Second point, it is still trading outside Bollinger Bands. It is getting a push here on the downside, and that is why we can expect a little more bearish move if it continues to trade below 12,500 levels. Third observation is, the previous candle had a very small body and a very strong tail wick, which means there is a downward pressure here. It means that probably yes, see, even if it tries to trade bullish 12,800, 840, I don't think so that it is going to break the previous high, but if it does, certainly 13,000 is must for sure. At the same time, on the downside, if it breaks below this zone at 12,450, it can pull back till towards 12,400. So lower highs, lower lows are possible. 12,750, 700, 800 levels on the upside, and then 12,450, 400 levels on the downside. See, directional movement here is bullish. The stochastic is overbought. MACD divergent and bullish, and the RSI is overbought too. Considering this, yes, you can buy at 12,660 levels. On the upside, 12,710, 720 first target, 12,760 next, and then 12,800. And see, yes, 50 points are not smaller a target. Yes, you can keep booking at 50 points, keep re-entering if you see it trading in the same direction. And about 12,840, certainly we can expect it to hit 12,900 levels. And beyond that, sky is the limit, 13,000 levels will be seen. At the same time, on the downside, if it trades below 12, you can sell at 12,600 itself, but then expect 12,550, 500, 470 levels as the maximum support, and then 450 as the next support. Below that, we may see a very good drop, which might take it for 400, 350 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Those who want to safeguard the capital, and yes, first safeguard your capital. You will get ample profit making opportunities. Do not trade the news if you want to avoid the risk. And yes, if you are taking a risk, you should trade with a trailing stop loss, so that either which ways it goes, your trade either closes in profit, closes with the minimal loss. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch going to start on 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see, US 30 trading at 33,970 levels. And let's directly have a look at the hourly charts. Now see, on the hourly charts, you can see the complete movement so far is engulfed between this candle. I told you this in the morning also. And hence I will recommend you to buy at 34,100 levels, beyond which little more bullishness can be seen. Now look at the hourly charts. Previous two candles, lower highs and then lower lows and higher highs are seen. Now 34,000. Yes, you can buy at 34,000, but then expect 34,040, 34,100 and as the stronger resistance, and only if it sustains above 34,100, you can expect little more bullishness. Now see, directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is oversold and trying to recover. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. The RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, similarly on the 2-hour charts, you can see lower highs, lower lows. This time it is trying to reverse a bit. Trading above 34,000 levels can bring little more bulls, but then only bullishness is confirmed if it trades above 34,100 levels. Now look closely on the 2-hour chart. See, this exceptional is this breakout, and you can see this, it is trading in this bullish channel, but at the same time there is a squeeze happening here. So first thing is, it has to give a breakout. Yes, any move below 33,900 level, certainly you can remain short for 33,800, 33,700 and 600. Till 600 it has got very good supports here. See, in last few days, whenever we have seen a drop, you can see first 33,500, then 600, then you can see this 700, 800 zone, and then now today it has 900. So it is trying to give you higher lows every time. Directional movement crossing over for the buy entries here, sell entries here. The stochastic has seen a little drop and has come to oversold zone. The MACD is trading with divergence, and this is bearish. The RSI is at comfortable levels. And if you look at 3-hour charts, now look at 3-hour charts here. See, I told you that US 30 is trading in this channel here. Now see, there is another channel in making on the downside, where you can find that support now at 33,700 levels is going to be very immense, very strong. Now also on the upside, yes, it is getting a stronger wall getting created at 34,100, then 200, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Now look at the 3-hour chart. See, the previous candle hardly had any body here. So yes, if you see it trading above 34,100, 34,000, you can buy for 34,050 and 34,100 levels. Only and only if it trades above 34,100, it is going to be considered for a reversal. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic has seen a little drop. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see the previous two candles. Two bullish candle, two retracement candle, higher lows, lower highs. Let it break past any which way 34,100 and 33,900 levels. In between these 200 points, be cautious and alert. Yes, you can buy at 34,000, but expect 34,050, 34,100 as the major resistance then, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Direction movement bearish, stochastic has seen a little drop, MACD trading with divergence and it is trading bearish, RSI trading flat. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, see previous two candles lower highs, higher lows. And yes, on the daily charts, 33,800 is a very good support. This is the 20 period moving average, and below that we can see the 50 period moving average coming here at 33,600 level. So you should be cautious of this. On the upside now, 34,100 on the downside, 33,900 for these 200 points. Let's be alert and cautious. Direction movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic has seen a little drop. The MACD is divergent and bullish, trying to converge here. RSI is trading flat. Considering this, yes, you can buy here at 34,000 levels, those who want to risk a little. But then 34,050, 34,100, these two levels you should watch out for. And once it trades above 34,100, it is going to fly high for 34,200 and 34,400 levels also. On the downside, you can sell here at 33,900 levels, below 33,900. The next target is 33,840, 33,800, 33,700, and then below that further drop can take it for 600, 500. Below that, little more bearishness will be seen. Remember this. If it trades below 33,700, 800 levels, certainly more bearishness will be seen there on the US 30. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.